Well, hi guys. Looks like we got a bit of snow in the 6 to 8 inch range. I don't know. All I know is there's a bunch of it, and it's a heavy, wet snow, and it weighs a bunch. So, kind of getting a little bit cleaned up before I really start going here. And I got a driveway here, neighbor up the street there, and mom and dad's place, and the neighbors down the road to get to. So I'm going to be busy on that little dude for a while. So we'll be back here in a bit, guys. Well, hi guys. Hi, it's about 2 hours later. 3 driveways done, and I've got 2 more to go. That's the neighbor down there and the neighbor down there. And it's starting to, it's kind of a combination of snow and mist rain. Weird. I don't know if you can see it over through there or not. I had to start the truck up and get warm again. Having a little bit of a cup of coffee. About a half hour ago was so hot you'd take the hair off your tongue. Whew. Ain't nothing more that'll wake you up than that. You know what I mean? We'll get back at it here in a bit. It's like 31 degrees, they just said, so it's right on that freezing mark. So who knows what it will get, if we'll get any more. They said this was supposed to be done by noon, and it's after 3 now, so well, they may not know what they're talking about. Nothing unusual there. Gotta have it. So we'll be back here in a bit, guys. So we'll see you in a bit. Hang on. Well, it's about 4 o'clock Sunday afternoon. I'm done. Nice pile over yonder. Nice big pile here. Total of 5 driveways. Counting this one. Got the neighbor up the road there. Got this done for here. Went up, did theirs. Come back and did Mom and Paul's. And then went down the road. Do the neighbor's places. Mother and daughter. That skid steer gets cold through here. The only bad thing about doing gravel driveways is you cannot keep from getting the gravel up. But oh well, what do you do? I got done with hers and came down and did her mom's place here, which is a good bit of running. Now we're calling it a day. I was going to do this yesterday, but figured there wasn't much sense of doing it yesterday because it was supposed to snow more last night, and it did just that. So, we got her done today. So we'll see you next time, guys. And as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. never a dull moment when you got a million things to do. So we'll see you next time, guys.